Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt small, dizzyingly vast? The universe stretches out before us, filled with billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring sight. But what if I told you that everything we see, everything we know might be just a simulation? What if the universe isn't quite what it seems? Imagine for a moment that our reality, with all its complexities and wonders, is nothing more than lines of code in an incredibly advanced computer program. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but the idea, known as the simulation hypothesis, has captivated philosophers, scientists, and even tech giants like Elon Musk. The simulation hypothesis proposes that our universe is not real in the traditional sense, but is actually a sophisticated computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. Think of it like a highly immersive video game where the characters, us, are unaware that they exist within a digital world. This idea, while seemingly outlandish, has its roots in philosophical thought experiments dating back centuries. The modern iteration of the simulation hypothesis gained traction with philosopher Nick Bostrom's 2003 paper, Are You Living in a Computer Simulation? Bostrom argued that if civilizations reach a point where they can create such realistic simulations, it's statistically more likely that we are living in one than not. If we are indeed living in a simulation, wouldn't there be clues? Some proponents of the simulation hypothesis point to certain phenomena as potential evidence. These glitches in the matrix range from the seemingly mundane to the truly bizarre. Ever experienced déjà vu, that eerie feeling that you've lived through a moment before? Or how about the strange coincidences that seem to defy explanation? While these occurrences have more rational explanations, they fuel the imagination and make us question the nature of our reality. Could these be subtle hints that our simulated world isn't quite perfect? Some even point to the laws of physics, with their elegant equations and constants, as potential signs of a programmed universe. Section 4. Life as a simulation. What does it all mean? The implications of living in a simulation are profound and unsettling. If our experiences, relationships, and even our sense of self are ultimately products of a computer program, what does it mean for our understanding of free will, purpose, and the meaning of life? Does it render our actions meaningless, knowing that we are merely characters in someone else's game? These questions strike at the core of our existence and force us to confront our place in the cosmos. If we are simulated beings, are we less real than our creators? Or does our existence within the simulation hold its own value and significance? Section 5. The architects of reality, who or what created the simulation? The question of who or what created the simulation is as intriguing as the simulation hypothesis itself. Are our simulated overlords benevolent observers, curious about our progress and development, or are we simply digital guinea pigs, part of a grand experiment beyond our comprehension? The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. Some speculate that we ourselves might one day evolve to become the architects of simulations, creating countless digital universes of our own. This cyclical view of reality raises further questions about the nature of consciousness and the very essence of existence. Section 6. The quest for truth, our place in the simulated universe. The simulation hypothesis, while currently untestable, serves as a powerful thought experiment. It challenges our assumptions about the nature of reality and encourages us to question the world around us. Whether we are simulated beings or not, the very act of contemplating such profound ideas deepens our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So the next time you look up at the night sky, consider the possibility that the universe might be far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. We may never know for sure if we are living in a simulation, but the quest for truth and understanding is a journey worth taking regardless of the nature of our reality. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that button. If you enjoyed this journey, got questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.